Welcome to GDOH Health Information System, SAP ISH Med Clinical Module. In this module, we're going to be touching on the patient information. Under patient information, we're going to touch on the patient data, where you'll be able to see the patient master data and the demographics of that particular patient, and be able to change the demographics, an example, telephone number, or the address. Then we're also going to be touching on the patient appointments. As a clinician, you will be able to view the future and current patient appointments. Lastly, we're going to touch on the case list, where we're going to be able to see the historical case movement of that particular patient, how many visits the patient would have done to your particular institution. To access the patient profile, refer to the video patient profile navigation. Now, under the patient profile, which is under the application section, if we want to be able to view the patient demographics and be able to change the patient demographics, we click on the patient data. When you click on the patient data, it opens up this patient master data window. And on this patient master data window, as a clinician, you're able to change some of the demographics, especially the address and the telephone number. For some of the changes that might need to be done, they might need to be done in the patient administration. So for an example, I can be in a position to change this telephone number. Probably I can change it to this particular telephone number when the patient has changed their telephone number. Then if I click on save, then that particular information would then be saved in the system. So pop-up like this will appear. If you see a golden triangle, it's just a warning that the next of kin details were not put in on the patient, and we might require the patient documentation. So you just need to click on the green tick to continue. And once you have done that, the patient demographics will then be updated. The next thing that you can also be able to see is the patient appointments. If you click on the patient appointments, you'll be able to see all the patient current and the historical appointments. So if you click on it, then it's going to open up a window which has got the patient appointments. Like in this example, this particular patient had an appointment on the 2nd of October. So if there are any future appointments, then you'll be able to see them on this screen. Last thing, if you want to see the patient historical movements to the facility, you click on the case list. When you click on the case list, it opens up the window case overview, case list. And in this, you'll be able to see the historical case movements. You've got the case number and whatever movements that would have been done under that particular case number. So if there are more than one case number, which is more than one visit that have been done, they will be all listed on this window. So that's how, if you want to view whether the patient has been on your facility before and which particular departments or clinics they have been to, then you can be able to see the movements that have happened. Like for an example here, the patient has been admitted and there was a surgery that happened and another surgery also that happened as well. So all these are the historical patient movement that you can be able to see. Once you have seen what you have seen, you can always click the 2 green arrows back to go back to the patient profile. So thank you. We're going to see you in the next video.